Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Gemini on cursor. So let's open the cursor ID and here this is opening and this already have the file. So here we need to go on this extension there or you can click on this Gemini. So you can get their Gemini or Code Assistant CLI. These tools that come from Google. So first option that's clicking there. Thereafter simply you need to click on this install button. So coding assistant powered by Gemini. So this you can use inside the cursor ID. So this here currently installing and this number of download that has done AI assistant this come from google.com. This are successfully installed there and here this icon that's created. So simply you need to click on this Gemini Code Assistant icon. This is asking what to do the sign in. So click on this sign in button, allow, and now click on this open. You can see authentication successful. Let's minimize. This is now here processing this done. And thereafter you can ask any query there and this you can see. Let's test with the hi. So this here or returning this. Thereafter give codes of tick try program in Python. This is my second question. So this here TikTok code, see full code if you want by clicking this.